In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Robux using Sweatcoin. First, open the Sweatcoin app and make sure you have enough balance. If you have saved up enough Sweatcoins, tap on the Rewards option at the bottom right corner. Then, go to the Buy section. Once you open the Buy section, you will see different gift card options. You can find $5, $10, and $15 gift cards available. Choose the amount that you can afford to buy. The $5 card costs 1,500 Sweatcoins. The $10 card costs 2,500 Sweatcoins, and the $15 card costs 4,000 Sweatcoins. After choosing the amount, you can buy either an Apple Pay gift card or a Google Play gift card, depending on your phone type. Once you get the gift card, you need to redeem it in your account. To do this, open the App Store and tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then select the option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can either use your camera to scan the code or type it in manually and press Redeem. Once the gift card is redeemed to your account, open the Roblox app. Tap on the Robux icon and select the amount you want to purchase according to your gift card value. For example, if you have a $5 gift card, you can buy the amount of Robux that matches it. Make sure you select the correct payment method. If the gift card balance is available on your account, it will automatically appear and let you use it for your Robux purchase. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe.